Good morning. Today is day 76, the wise mind. James 1 and verse 5 says, if any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. God gives wisdom generously and without finding fault. That means that we can ask him for wisdom without worrying that he'll judge us for not already having it. He doesn't roll his eyes when we come to him confused. He doesn't point out all the stupid decisions that got us here. He gives generously, and he does it without making us feel worse about our need. We need wisdom right now more than we need almost anything else. The decisions in front of us are complicated. The stakes are higher, and my track record of figuring things out is not stellar. That's not criticism. That's just an honest assessment. And that should drive us straight to the one that does have the answers. Proverbs 2 verse 6 says, for the Lord gives wisdom, from his mouth come knowledge and understanding. Wisdom comes from God. It doesn't come from our own experience. Although experience does help, it doesn't come from other people. Although counsel is valuable, the source is God. And the pathway is asking. The mind of Christ operates with divine wisdom, not human cleverness. Human cleverness got us into some of the messes that we're dealing with now. We have a habit of moving forward and then asking God after we've already moved forward to bless what we've done. Now, I don't know about you, but that tends to be when I mess up. But divine wisdom is what gets us out of these messes. James 3:17 describes what God's wisdom looks like in action. It says, but the wisdom that comes from heaven is first of all pure, then peace-loving, considerate, submissive, full of mercy and good fruit, impartial and sincere. If our decision-making doesn't look like that list, we're probably running on our own understanding instead of God's wisdom. So what decisions are we facing right now that we need to stop trying to figure out on our own and start asking God for wisdom about? Hope that helps. Be blessed by the best. We'll see you tomorrow.